Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as an A. I still think this looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down for an A, B, C, or B. I still think this looks like a 1, 2, and I still think it's going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5. I think it will go up and take out these previous highs because I do believe it's more likely to be an expanding flat wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I think this 5 waves right here is a wave 1, and then I think this is a big running flat ABC correction. So for the wave 2, if that's true, that makes this right here a 1 of 3. That makes this a WXY 2 of wave 3. And yeah, there's definitely been some pullbacks along the way, but if this is a wave 3, then it should continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows on this weekly time frame, continuing this wave 3 trend. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we finally got a break of structure to the upside, which is probably better seen on like the 12-hour to 4-hour time frame range. Now this move down does kind of look like a trend, so it is possible that this is an A and this is a B. But even if it is a way B, you would expect it to make, some sort of a three-way pattern up to the Fibonacci level before it actually did make a bigger push to the downside. I'm honestly not really convinced it's a way B. I think there's a better chance it's like a motor wave correction or something. And I think there's a better chance that it might just keep on trending up, making those higher highs, higher lows, because of what I see on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we had the first break of structure that we've had on this whole move down, lasting at least 3 weeks. So that's pretty significant for sure. Now I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here, because these Fibonacci levels are definitely going to be areas of resistance, whether this move up is a correction to the move down or not. So those probably will be areas where the market does make a bounce. We did have a little bit of pound news this morning, which is why the pound did push up a little bit, but I personally am definitely looking for longs based on the fact that we broke structure to the upside and that the trend is up on the very high time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we had that pound news this morning, which is why I made a nice impulsive move up right to the Fibonacci level. These Fibonacci levels are usually areas of resistance, and we do have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow. So whatever happens over the next roughly 24, 30 hours is definitely going to be setting itself up for that inflation CPI data for the US tomorrow. With the fact that we're at a 38%, if I had to make a guess, I would definitely say that today probably is more likely to be a corrective day, maybe a pullback day, and maybe that's going to set itself up for a long tomorrow. I personally am not going to be sorting it because the trend is up on all the higher time frames and I am a trend trader. But if you do get an opportunity to sort it, maybe you can. I'm definitely not. I'm definitely patiently waiting for long entries to go long for the continuation of the bigger uptrend on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.